Hello guys. In this video, we will explain the solution to the WhatsApp problem. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. But before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and like the video so that you can be a reason for my happiness. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let's solve the problem. Firstly, you must install the official WhatsApp from the Play Store and not another modified version from Google. Secondly, go to Google browser and type www.whatsapp.com. Then go to the official website of the WhatsApp application. Then scroll down to the bottom and you will find Contact. Click on it. Then next to WhatsApp, Messenger support. Click on Contact. Here, choose your country. Key. After that, write your WhatsApp number that is causing the problem. Here write your email, then rewrite it below. Here choose the type of device you use, WhatsApp on. But here I write this letter to them. Hello, WhatsApp support team. I think my number was warned against using WhatsApp by mistake. Please solve the problem so that I can use WhatsApp again. Thank you. After that, click Next Step, then send a question. Now we have finished. All you have to do is wait and, God willing, the problem will be solved. I hope you liked the video. For any inquiries or questions, write them in the comments. Goodbye.